Yo, mid-walk. She's just gonna just stop, lay down, and start licking on grass mid-walk. What are you doing, Bella? Bella, what are you doing, girl? Like, she just flopped down out of nowhere mid-walk. That's that laziness. Come on, girl. Yo, lazy thing. What still walking and you flopping down? We ain't even walk for it. That's what the heat does to them. As soon as the heat come out, a little bit of sun, it's not even hot. It's probably pushing 70 right now, and they're flopping down already. They're a whole trip. Ain't that right, Bella? Bella, oh, you trying to pee? Make sure you get your squirt everywhere. That's what you're doing, Bella. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's what you're doing, girl. Look at her. What? That what you doing? Let's go.
Can I pet your dog?
Yeah, you can pet them. They're friendly. Say bye-bye, Bella. What? Say bye-bye. Bella. Look at Bella still doing it. Yeah, I do not know why she's just flopping down. Like, it's not that hot outside. I swear it's not. It is not that hot. Let's go get some water, girl.